Hello, this afternoon we're going to do a tutorial on a Norwegian gin and tonic. They do discourage drinking here in Norway, but what do they know? So first you need to get an icy cold glass, leave it in the freezer for about 24 hours, and then cap it with fresh snow. That's really the key ingredient there. So then what you'll also want to have is the Harahorn's Norwegian gin. It has herbs, lots of fabulous herbs. You want to measure carefully, jigger or two. So just, keep filling until there's basically no room in the glass. And you'll know you have the right amount of gin, or the perfect Norwegian gin and tonic. Then really any tonic will do. I think we have some here in our minibar fridge. Yes, we do. Arctic tonic, which is one of the better tonics you'll find here. And see, notice how the ice is falling into the glass. That's what you want. You want that ice to just kind of melt into the Norwegian gin, and then you'll add your tonic there. And that, my friends, is the perfect Norwegian gin and tonic.